Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and I have an unboxing, special unboxing, what unboxing. So if you would like to see what I am unboxing today, make sure you stay tuned. And if you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And turn that bell on. That way you can hear the rest of my songs. Nah, I'm playing. We all know y'all didn't come for that. But yeah, I have an awesome surprise for y'all. So I would love to share it with my beauty squad members and everybody else. So make sure you stay tuned.
Oh, yeah. Bring you home. Yeah, come on.
Hey, my beauty squad. So, y'all know what this is? Most of y'all probably know what this is, or might have an idea what this is. This is a cameraman bag. Guess what's inside this cameraman bag? My very first YouTube camera that my baby got me. Yes, Mr. Mario officially got me my first camera to film off of. So excited, guys. Like, I'm so excited. So a little, let's rewind it a little bit backwards. Now, if y'all would like to understand and like me go through my whole YouTube experience, I don't mind. I would love to help and inspire anybody that's wanting to make a channel, or, you know, reality versus what you hope and dreamed it's going to be. You know, my experience personally. But I'm not here for that today. We're just going to go over the camera. But I wanted to tell y'all, when I first started my channel, and I started my beauty channel with 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 foundation, 1 S7. It was like 30 bucks Samsung phone from Walmart. Quality sucked. But I am somebody that is very determined. And if I aim to do something, I will do it. I will not wait. I will do it. And the only thing that holds you back is yourself whenever you're trying to aim for goals. So don't sit here and tell me you can't start something if you don't want it to. I literally started from nothing and built it up to this within a year and a half. So it's possible. But anywho, fast forward a couple months later, like, we had to do something about my quality because I was literally growing pretty well. I got iPhone 7. Better quality, much better quality, but still not like good quality. You know what I mean? Like, it's barely passing for quality. So I dealt with that for a couple months. My phone finally broke somehow. I don't know. I think Luna did something with it. It just went cut on one day. So we finally upgraded to a iPhone 11. Quality bomb. That's what I'm actually filming off right now. I absolutely love my iPhone 11. Y'all could not get me to trade it in unless it was to upgrade to the 12 or the 11 Pro or whatever, but yeah, I would not convert because I absolutely love how the graphics are on this phone. I love the detailing of it. It's so easy for me to edit and all that other stuff now. Well, me and Mario been talking. Last year, I had been, you know, in my YouTube around this time. I just got monetized because I got monetized for like 7 months and I was on my channel. He wanted me to get a camera then. I was going to, but I couldn't. I could not bite the bullet and do it. I got a tablet. I got an iPad, and then I got a computer. You need a computer if you're monetized because that's where you put in, you know, your ads and all that stuff. So I got that too. Okay, cool. I don't want to get a camera. I was like, I film it off my phone. I like my phone. I enjoy my phone. I know how to edit off my phone. Getting a camera is a whole new rodeo. You know what I mean? I was like, let me just get into my channel a little bit more. Make sure, you know, it's not going to flop or anything else. So he's like, babe, you're monetized. I was like, you're not going to flop. You're not going to quit, so you're not going to flop. So we finally did it. We went to Walmart. This was actually not the first choice I had. I picked out the Canon. It was the SX Fit 540. And I bought it home. It was like 300 bucks. It was really bulky. I did like that. It did not have a flip screen. Did like that. It was Wi-Fi compatible, but it did not have a mic portal. Did it? I had to have a mic. I have a big ass mouth. We know this. But I still need a mic. The quality is better with the mic. So we took that back because the guy told us we have 14 days if I didn't like it. Because I told him, I was like, I haven't had no research with my cameras. This is, you know, my old man just flipped, like, just like pushed me into while we were here. And so yeah, I always heard Canons were good for filming, so that's why I went towards the Canon side, and they're affordable for a first time camera. So we took it back. We went to Best Buy, and I got the PowerShot SX740HS. This has 20.3 megapixels. It has a flip screen. I'll show y'all. 4K, 24 millimeters wide, and times 40. It is Wi-Fi compatible and Bluetooth compatible, so that's freaking amazing. When you open her up, you get a starter book, which I'm going to have to like crunch and read. You got register, paperwork, that I'm going to go ahead and register just in case you have any recalls on it. I'll be notified. That's why it's good to register. You get a power bank for your battery. This is to charge it. You have the plug on the side. It just flips. And then you put the little battery in here. The light comes on when it says it's charging, and then whenever it's full, it's green. I charged my battery last night. It didn't take it no time. It was blinking red when I put it in the camera the first time. I put it on a charger. I think it took it like maybe an hour, if that. I do want to get a backup battery because I know like with filming stuff, cameras go out within like 20 minutes or what have you. So if I had a backup battery, would probably be awesome. This is the beauty right here. Da-da-da-da. So, this is what it looks like. Look how sleek she is. She was $400, so she is a little pricey. Turn her on, it says Canon. I thought I had to set it up, but I guess not. Oh well. I did go ahead and take a picture of my hubby and the babies. Well, my soon-to-be hubby. This was a must for me. Because when I film it, I will be like this. And I want to be able to make sure that I'm so used to my phone. So it's better this way. So you use either way. This is the lens. No, the lens is not changeable. It's okay. It's still a really good starter phone. I don't know nothing for that stuff anyway, so I've got to get used to this before I can try to change all that mess out. This right here is your flash. Cool, right? You got a whole bunch of different buttons right here to switch on. Hold on, let me go to... TV mode. Mask camcorder. Let me go to regular auto, background blur auto. Look. That's cool. So it does blur out the back a little bit. And there's other little filters you can get for that. You do have, let me go ahead and cut this off. This right here is where your battery and your SIM card goes. This is your battery right here. This is your SIM card. Your USB cord and HDMI cord goes right in here. So this will be like for your mic. And to plug it up to your computer and all that good stuff. This is where you would put it on a tripod. It has the screw in things. Don't grip around it. I would not trust gripping this camera around the phone thing. So I would screw it in the bottom. Safe. I'd rather be safe than sorry. But yeah, I'm so excited. I officially have my very first camera. I actually feel like a YouTuber now. I have a camera. And it did come with also like the little string that you like put it in. I can't do it because my nails right now. But you put it on the side right here. And it loops in. It double loops. And that way you put it around your wrist and you ain't got to worry about it falling. Like if you're carrying it, it slips out your hand. You still have it on your wrist. So I will be definitely putting that together. It's just I've got to get assistance from my hubby because with my nails I can't get it all done. But yeah, he went ahead and got me a book bag. Yeah, it's a big ass book bag for a little bitty camera, but I am getting a second tripod for this, and I'll put it in here as well. And then if I get a selfie stick, I can put it in here. And if we go, we plan on going to the beach and stuff like that this year, your girl is ready because I'm going to be vlogging. And I get to save so much storage off my phone because I have been battling with storage because of my phone and the apps I have for like Luna, because Luna uses my phone for the most part. So unreal. And that's all. I'm not going to keep y'all too long. I just wanted to show y'all what awesome gift my husband got me. My soon-to-be husband. It's just, it blows me away because like how much faith he has in me. And I know damn well if he did not believe in me, I would have never started my channel. He is the main reason I started my channel, and he pushes me still to this day. Anytime that I get discouraged or feel bad about something, he's like, babe, you got this. Like, don't worry. Don't sweat it. So, Mario, I know you watch this because you watch every single one of mine. Thank you, and I love you, and I'm just so blessed and grateful to have you in my life. There's no words I could ever express to you how much I deeply, truly love you and honor you and respect you, and just so grateful to have you. And before I get bushy, I'm gonna go. I love